Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change a language on Ashampoo Snap. So once you have the app open, guys, you can easily open this from the tray on the lower right hand side. So click your tray in your Windows taskbar here, then right click on Ashampoo Snap, then go to its settings. Now once you're inside the settings, all you have to do is just click on the language section here on the left hand side, and here you have a ton of different language you can choose from. So depending on whatever you want, so let's say I want to choose Czech, I can select Czech and then go ahead and click on save, and that's going to basically put it into save, and that's going to basically change the app language for me. So at any point in time I want to go back to its settings again, you will see that it's now changed to a different language, right? So now it's in a different language in Czech. You can always go back to its settings once you're ready and change it to a different language if you so desire. And as you can see here, I have a different language here. I'm going to switch it back to English. That's my preferred choice there, and just click and save again. And that's all that you have to do, guys. That's how to go ahead and change the language, guys, in Ashampoo Snap. Very easy and very simple.